Hi, Andrew here with Xyte, and we're the AV industry's first AI-enabled cloud platform for single pane of glass monitoring and management of all of your AV and UC spaces, regardless of the manufacturers that you use in that space. As an enterprise IT or AV manager, let me show you why this is so important for you to leverage this platform. One of the first things you're going to be able to do is start to build out your entire global enterprise as an IT AV manager. You can start to break out my specific locations by city, by tower, and even by room. And as you'll notice in the Xyte platform, you're able to combine the status of your devices by room regardless of manufacturer. I can have my Teams room system and my control systems, my phones and my speakers all in one space, and I don't need to flip between those different cloud platforms. This dashboard, as an enterprise IT or AV manager, is fully customizable, and I can start to add map widgets and even file repositories to manage all of my wiring diagrams and floor plans. But it doesn't stop here. As an enterprise IT manager, you're also going to want to understand what's happening in those rooms. What manufacturers do I have more often than others, or who's having more issues than others? I can now sit down with my integrator partners and say, well, why is this room having more incidents than others? Starting to truly give you data-driven decisions to understand which spaces are being used differently than others when you go through your room refresh cycles. The other great thing as an enterprise IT and AV manager is I'm sure you leverage other enterprise software platforms. Everything from ServiceNow to Salesforce to Slack to Teams Chat. This is now the first time for you to take all of your AV UC IT devices and through a single API, integrate that data into those other enterprise software platforms. Now, best of all, with Xyte, you're going to be able to reduce all of that time from your support agents running from room to room and doing manual work to support your spaces. For the first time in this industry, Xyte is launching a full ChatGPT OpenAI integration so that you can communicate directly with your spaces, regardless of manufacturer, to start to fix issues. When you wake up in the morning, start asking it if it has any incidents across my spaces, specifically down to a room, what products are having problems. And when I identify that problem with the product, begin to ask it how to recommend me to fix this. I can even provide full reviews of the documentation that you've uploaded to the Xyte system to walk you through a step-by-step system of how to fix that speaker or microphone, and even execute a support request directly through the Xyte ecosystem. If you're an enterprise IT and AV user and you want to start AI enabling your business and reducing your support time, and you'd like to find more, head to xyte.io.